Hi everyone, welcome back. This is another video in our computer vision and OpenCV playlist. My name is Ofyong Basi, and in today's video, we'll dive into edge detection. Edge detection is a fundamental technique in OpenCV that is used to identify boundaries in an image. As a matter of fact, OpenCV has several powerful edge detection techniques and models. However, the edge detection technique which we are going to explore today is the Canny edge detection, which was developed by John Canny. Without further ado, let's dive into the code. The first thing we need to do is to create a file called edge detection.py, and we'll say that import cv2 and our image is equal to cv2.imread. And what's the name of the image we'll be working on? The name of the image is called Lady, so we'll be using this image for our edge detection to actually detect the edges in the image, as you can see with this frame also. So let's go, and that's called lady.jpg. And if we want to visualize it, of course you know how we're going to do that. So let's just move straight to, and before you actually work, let me just visualize so that you see. So it says cv2.imshow over image. Yeah, and sorry about that, that should be image. I like naming it completely, and I said that cv2.width key of 0, and let's visualize so you see how the image is, and that's the image I showed you. But what next we need to do is just to automatically convert it to grayscale, because when we're working with the edge detection, it is always advisable to convert to grayscale before then moving into the edge detection technique. So what I'm going to do, I'll say that cv2. Apart from using cvt color to convert, you can also use cvt.imread as grayscale. That's it. So what we're using this image now with grayscale, and to actually perform our edge detection, what we need to say that our image edge is equal to cv2.canny. So it's Canny model that we're going to use. I'll say our image is here, and let's see 90 and 90. So this is the main value, and this is the max value for the edge detection. And let's see how we can visualize that, and that's cv2.imshow. That will be our age and image of our age as well. So let's try and visualize so that we see exactly. So we've gotten this is the age detection, and you've seen how we've been able to get the ages out of the background. The background is no more here, and it automatically turns to black, and that is it. So you can play along with those values. You can increase it to, let me see, 120, sorry, 120, and over here we'll say 120 as well. Let's try and see how we can do that, and you see how it looks. That's it. So one other thing I want to discuss or share with you is how we can actually increase the boldness or the weight of these edges, and also reduce the boldness or the weight of the same edges, how we can increase and decrease. So to do that, we're going to use what is called the Dilate, and that's equal to cv2. The Dilate property in say OpenCV, and what we want to actually dilate is, what we want to use for the dilation, the image is our image of the age, and what we need next is the numpy. So we need numpy to actually carry out this task. Say numpy as np. So np.ones, and let me say 5 over here. I'm going to say d type is equals to np.int. It's exactly. So let's see how we can actually visualize that in show of age, sorry, age dilate, and that's it. So age dilate, you say img dilate. Let's visualize, and let me show you something very quickly. Okay, now you can see this becomes thicker. Like you could see what is being drawn here. You could see it as a shadow, but I would tell you categorically that this looks like a contour. And in our next video, we'll discuss about contours and how we can actually surround an object So this basically look like a contour. You can actually play along with the value, increase it and reduce it. You've seen the difference. This is the age which we got from Canny, and to Dilate it we got this. Now the next one we're going to work on is to erode. So in order to erode, we say our image erode is equal to CV2. We use the erode property, which we are going to now use the dilate one we dilated, and I'll still pass in np.ones here, and this time around let me use 3 over here, and here will be d type is equals to np.int8. Exactly. So let's also see how we'll visualize this image. This one is erode image erode. I could just use age, and name here doesn't matter, so I'll use image erode, and let's see how I can visualize that. So you see this is erode, and you've seen it's lower than this. This one is quite higher than this in terms of the weight or how the weight looks. That's it. That's it. So what I want you to do is just to play around, and if you want more, just go through the documentation of OpenCV. You can read through here and play along with this age detection.